and then he would never use them. He would never use them, either selling them the following year, or they would stay upstairs and end up giving them to a charity shop. So it's a US layout, but you can change the layout to UK layout. It's just a setting on your computer as to which layout you use. I've pretty much done my Christmas shopping now. I ordered the last couple yesterday. The only one that I'm not sure of, one of Benji's presents has got to come from America and hasn't been made yet, so that might not arrive, but I mean, technically it should, but I don't know. If not, you'll have to have it after Christmas. Spent all your money on Christmas. Do you get pocket money? That seemed a bit strange, someone landing all this way. But... Actually, Robster, if you're still here, I'm going to send you a video of DJ in a minute. You want a job? Aha, Tens has been trying to find a job for ages. I thought they would stop, but obviously not, so... If you want that sort of thing, you need to go and subscribe to some sort of OnlyFans account. Yeah. No, I'm talking about Tens. His controller stopped working yesterday. He went all the way to stock. £60 for a video. His controller broke last night. The L1, the L key, or one of the